As we leave the busy road behind and head deeper into the hills, the road starts to twist and turn through lush green forests and small hill slopes. The air feels fresher here, more peaceful. Just a little ahead, we reach Sohbar, a quiet little village tucked away in the East Khasi hills. The people here live a simple life surrounded by nature. As we turn a corner, the mighty Wahrew Arch Bridge slowly appears in front of us. It's standing tall and strong across the crystal clear waters, a sight that truly makes you stop and admire.
As we arrive at Sohbar, the Grand Wahrew Arch Bridge comes into sight. Hello everyone and welcome back to Travel Cinema Official. I am Barbara Sundram and today we take you on a journey to an engineering marvel hidden in Meghalaya. Right behind me is the Wahrew Arch Bridge located in the scenic village of Sohbar.
From down here below, the bridge looks even more impressive, its giant arc reflecting beautifully in the river below. Just nearby, there's a small camping area with tents set up. If you are someone who loves staying close to nature, spending a night here would be a dream. Before hopping onto the boat, there is a small ticket counter where you can buy your tickets. The price is quite reasonable, just 200 rupees for a boat ride that takes you right through the heart of the stunning Wahrew River. With life jackets on and the boat ready to be stepped on, the gentle push of the paddle breaks the silence as the boat starts to glide across the calm waters. It feels like we are about to discover something magical. A group of local tourists have just arrived, excited and full of energy. They are already taking selfies and capturing the views around them. And honestly, who wouldn't want to freeze this moment forever? As the boat slowly floats downstream, the view becomes even more mesmerizing. On both sides, tall limestone cliffs rise above like walls painted with green moss and hanging vines. The water is so clear you can see the stones lying at the bottom. It's quiet except for the soft splash of the paddle and the occasional bird call echoing through the valley. You really start to feel connected to the place, as if time here has stopped just for you.
Built over the Wahrew River, this bridge connects the villages in the Sohbar region, making travel easier for both local and tourists alike.
While the views are perfect, one thing this place really needs is a proper eatery. After all the walking and exploring, visitors could really use a spot to sit down and enjoy a warm local meal or even just some tea and snacks.
After visiting the Wahrew Bridge, we are right now at this beautiful spot with the backdrop of Sohbar village. We will spend some time here and then we'll proceed further and have our lunch.
After the boat ride and all that adventure, we finally stopped by a local food stall nearby. It's simple, nothing fancy, but the warmth of the people and the fresh food makes it perfect ending to this peaceful journey. Sohbar and Wahrew have truly left a mark on us. Thanks for watching.